Hello guys, I said the day 5 will be not it will be not a short, but today we're gonna do past digging. This is Ella, by the way. Okay, he's crazy. Today we can't have a special item, but I could have a stick. Yeah. No, why stick? Why stick? Because this is actually good. Okay, guys. I will be starting up. Okay, there's some guyaming then. Okay. I'm gonna start off today. Guys, it's really hard, but Elliot is just gonna watch here because he can't really do anything. Okay, he's helping.
I wanna help. This is my helping stick. Everybody look, it's my helping stick. It's my helping stick.
Guys, this is really long, bro.
How's the what is
1 minute and 16 seconds.
what
Okay.
question, what will this looks like in day 100?
You should be so deep and so large, of course. I will stop on day 50 or day 100. Guys, I will make a video too about bullying, and I will edit it. There's some cringiness.
That warning, it's so cringe that you might die.
Yeah. Anyways, let's dig. It
will be released.
Dig.
It will be released on March
I don't know.
1.
What? I cannot do that. I don't know when it's gonna be released. But this is our lupa. Yeah.
Yan din pong amin bahay-bahayan.
Yeah, we made a bahay-bahayan. We can explore it after we're done here.
Okay guys, this is now broken. This is now
Yeah,
broken.
this is a foldable
And now,
spoon.
guys,
It is actually a really good spoon. Like, get up. I'm gonna use my hand today because
RIP spoon.
you see that, guys?
Ayos ka to.
Only day 5 is the special because it is really
Sa day 6 namin ipapakita ang loob ng amin bahay-bahayan.
yeah.
Day 6 o day 7?
No, this day already, okay?
Okay.
Day 5 na. Because only day 5 is the special.
Specialty of the special year. Ako na lang maghahawak ng
Okay. Diyan sa hole. Okay? Sa hole. Guys, I'm gonna dip farther and farther. Guys, I'm not gonna use
He's not gonna use super speed or super magic.
I'm not gonna use this spoon after day 6, I think, because this is too small. RIP foldable plastic. Because I think he cannot dig no more. Ha? Tapon!
Ako na lang.
Ano yun?
Ayaw mo ka. Ito mo lang kami. Ito guys, ang kapatid ko. May ice cream kami.
Get faster right now, please! I'm gonna dig. Guys, this will be 5 minutes. Okay, I think 5 minutes plus. Stop blocking the Guys, this is now so deep. Look at this. I don't think this can deep. This can. Oh, still can dig, bruh. Nice.
Bakit yan naputol? Hindi, foldable yan.
This actually come from Coco Crunch. That's why it's getting fold. Let me just tag the dirt.
No, you're not allowed.
Okay guys, this is how deep the hole is. Almost at my hand, and this is how deep. Okay guys, thank you. But I'm not done yet, guys. I'm not done yet. Hello,
Wait
guys, this
until
too.
day 100.
Wait until 100, guys. But anyways,
Sa iyo, day 100.
I'm gonna let you explore our lupa. Okay? This is our lupa today. A good view for that thing. I think I will explore this our whole.
Bahay-bahayan.
And here, guys, this is the loob of bahay-bahayan. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. It's kind of no, but this is the outside of our house.
This is the roof.
Yeah, because there are so many kids that is so crying over this. No throwing things to people, no bullying. Yeah, just such as other things.
May nag-ice cream
And
kuya
today,
ko. Natabunan yung akin. Hindi. Ice cream yan.
this is that. This is really big. Yeah, this is really big. But anyways, that's only the tour. Okay, bye-bye guys.